Welcome for a new lesson. Today let's discover the verb faire and 25 expressions that will be using it in French. Thank you for joining this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet and to like this video if you like it. This video will be divided in two parts. The first part will be basically the different expression using faire. Faire being the infinitive form, to do or to make if I just use it as it is. However, you're gonna notice that faire, depending the expression we will use, can mean different things in English. It doesn't mean specifically to do or to make. It's gonna depend the structure of the expression. Also, if you don't know how to conjugate faire in French, at the end of the video, in the second part, we will see how to conjugate it at the present tense, at the past tense, and at the future. Okay, I don't make you wait any longer. Let's have a look to the expressions. And let's start with faire la fête. Faire la fête, which means to party. Ce soir, on fait la fête. Tonight, we party. Faire la bise. Faire la bise is super French. It's when French people, they kiss each other on the cheeks when they meet up or when they say goodbye. And here is an example. Il fait la bise à sa mère. Faire un tour. Faire un tour, it's to go for a tour, to go for a walk actually. Faire un tour, for example, après le repas, nous irons faire un tour. After the meal, we will go to have a walk. We will go to, walk around, have a walk. Faire ses valises. Faire ses valises means to pack your suitcase, to pack your luggage before to travel, for example. Ce soir, je ferai mes valises. Tonight, I will pack my suitcase. Sans faire. Sans faire means to be worried. Je m'en fais pour toi. I'm worried about you. Faire rire. To make laugh. Tu me fais rire. You make me laugh. Faire semblant. Faire semblant means to pretend. Elle fait semblant d'être occupée. She pretends to be busy. Elle fait semblant. She pretends. So the next one will be related to the weather. When you talk about the weather, you're gonna say faire. Il fait chaud. Il fait froid. Il fait nuageux. Il fait pluvieux. All these little sentences are referring to the weather. In English, you will say it's rainy, it's cloudy. You will use basically to be, but in French, you can't use to be in that context. You will always need to use faire, and most of the time, il fait. Il fait chaud, il fait froid, it is hot, it is cold. Il fait pluvieux, it is rainy. Il fait nuageux, it is cloudy. Faire l'amour. To make love. Faire l'amour. Nous faisons l'amour. We make love. Faire du bruit. To make noise. To make some noise. Il fait du bruit. He makes noise. Il fait du bruit. Faire la manche. Faire la manche means to beg. Le clochard fait la manche. The homeless person begs. Faire la manche. Faire partie de. To be part of. Je fais partie de ton équipe. I am part of your team. Faire partie de. Faire la tête. To suck. Il fait la tête tous les jours. He's sucking every day. Faire connaissance. To get to know. Je fais connaissance avec elle. I get to know her. Faire connaissance. La connaissance, it's also the knowledge, but in that context, it's just to learn to know someone, to get to know someone. Faire du vélo. Faire du vélo. Un vélo, it's a bike. Faire du vélo means to ride a bike. Le week-end, j'aime faire du vélo. Faire la grasse matinée. To sleep in. Ce matin, j'ai fait la grasse matinée. You don't have an alarm clock and you just sleep in. Faire fi ça. Faire fi ça means to do something quickly. Fais fi ça. Make it quick. Go quick. Fais fi ça. You could also say fais vite. It means the same thing. Faire attention. Faire attention means to be careful. Fais attention. Be careful. But I could also say je fais attention à ce que j'écris. I pay attention to what I write. Faire attention can be careful or to pay attention to something. Faire la cuisine. La cuisine, the kitchen. Faire la cuisine, it's another way to say cuisiner, to cook. J'aime faire la cuisine. But you could also say faire à manger. It means the same thing. Faire à manger, to cook. Faire le ménage. Faire le ménage means to do the household chores. Faire le ménage, to do the cleaning. Tous les dimanches, je fais le ménage. Every Sunday, I clean my house, basically. That's what it means. Faire la vaisselle. Faire la vaisselle, to do the dishes. Je n'aime pas faire la vaisselle. Faire les courses. Faire les courses means to do the groceries. Nous ferons les courses cet après-midi. We will do groceries this afternoon. We will go to buy groceries this afternoon. Faire le lit. To make the bed. Le matin, je fais mon lit. In the morning, I make my bed. Faire la queue. Faire la queue means to stand in line. Faire la queue. Parfois, il faut faire la queue. Sometimes you need to stand in line. And the last one, faire jeune. To look young. Or faire vieux. To look old. Tu fais jeune avec ce t-shirt. You look young with this t-shirt. Tu fais vieux avec cette moustache. You look old with this moustache. Alright, that was 25 expressions in French using the verb faire. Now, part number 2 of this video, how do you conjugate the verb faire in French? Very quickly, at the present tense. Je fais, tu fais, il, elle fait, nous faisons, even if you see AI, nous faisons, vous faites, ils, elles font. Now, if you want to use faire using past tense, and I'm going to show you passé composé. J'ai fait, tu as fait, il, elle a fait, nous avons fait, vous avez fait, ils, elles ont fait. And now, faire at the future. Je ferai, tu feras, il, elle fera, nous ferons, vous ferez, ils, elles feront. Ils, elles feront. Faire is a verb from the third group of verbs we have in French. If you don't know exactly what it is, look at this video. This will explain you a tiny bit more how it works. What you just need to remember is that verbs ending with RE, like let's say faire, are irregulars. They don't all get conjugated the same way. So it's always good to know them by heart. Sometimes it's way easier actually. Alright, if you do have any question about these expressions, or if you think about any other ones, don't hesitate to leave a message under this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet, to like the video if you liked it, and we're on Instagram as well. À bientôt.